Can beer remove kidney stones? Though the moderate amount of beer may dissolve kidney stones, since it is diuretic, that means it increases the urine production. But it is nowhere mentioned that kidney stone can be dissolved using beer. Beer is an alcoholic beverage that is rich in oxalate and purine that can form stones. Beer also increases weight, which means it can lead to obesity. Increased weight increases the formation of stone in the kidneys. Beer also dehydrates your body, that means your body will lack water. Even it can increase the amount of kidney stones or it can lead to severe injuries. How much water should I drink to flush out kidney stones? Water intake differs from person to person, though there is a medical advice to drink at least 10 to 12 glasses of water daily to prevent kidney stones. But if you are already a kidney stone patient, stage 1, stage 2 and stage 3 requires you to drink sufficient amount of water, while stage 4 and 5 requires lesser intake of water. Average water intake depends upon your thirst and lifestyle. Drink water only when you are thirsty because water is the best diuretic that flushes out kidney stones. Why is it difficult to diagnose kidney stones? Kidney stone is a urinary disease whose symptoms are not detectable in the initial stage. There are no specific symptoms of kidney stone. However, sudden and severe pain in the waist, fever, vomiting, nausea are some of the common symptoms in the moderate stage of kidney stone. If you experience urinary disorders, hematuria, in which you experience bleeding while urinating, you should consult a neurologist as early as possible. The earlier the kidney stones are diagnosed, the better the treatment could be given. Why do kidney stones form even after surgeries? Kidney stones are formed because of chemical deposition or accumulation, mainly calcium oxalate, phosphate, potassium, and uric acid. Urine is acidic, which means it contains acid. When the concentration of compounds increases in urine and does not flush out with urine, it forms stones. The location of stone can be anywhere in the urinary tract, namely kidneys, ureter, urethra, or even bladder. In the most cases, kidney stone breaks into smaller pieces and pass out from the body through urine. But if any of the particles left inside, it can again accumulate acids and minerals to form kidney stones. Can kidney stone cause death? Kidney stone is not a life-threatening disease as far as its treatments are concerned. There are mainly two types of pain a kidney stone patient experiences in his life. Acute pain. It is the earliest signal of kidney stone formation. Chronic pain is the worst kind of pain that a kidney stone patient experiences in his life. Very few cases reported so far where kidney stone caused death. The surgeries involved in the removal of kidney stone can lead to infections in the intravascular tissues of the urinary tract, which further can take the form of cancer and cause death. Should you avoid non-vegetarian diet during kidney stone? Non-vegetarian foods are meat obtained from animals. Diet from kidney patient may not be same every time. Though meat is prohibited during kidney stone, patients whose blood consumption is high in potassium and phosphorus should strictly avoid meat in their diet. Seafood, such as fishes, should not be taken in the diet when you have kidney stone, as they contain high amount of sodium. Myths about kidney stones. Seeds and green leafy vegetables lead to stone formation. Is this true? Actually not. This is one of the most common myth among kidney stone patients. On the contrary, you can have green leafy vegetables and other things if you can consult a well-qualified doctor. Seeds are never digestible in the body, so they cannot form stones anyway. Milk and other dairy products are not allowed in kidney stone. Is it true? Not at all. Milk is rich in calcium that combines with oxalates and flushes out through urine. Tomatoes form stones. Seeds present in tomatoes don't form stones. Instead, it is preventing vegetable that prevents kidney stone formation. Medicines can remove all types of kidney stones. It is not possible to break or dilute all types of kidney stone using the medicine. Instead, only uric acid stone can be removed with medicine, or if the size of the stone is smaller, to be dissolved.